Hello everybody, I am Kimhab. Today I would like to show how to customize pod, XAMPP and install Nodejs. Let's practice together. This folder I have installed XAMPP new version. To install XAMPP, I open XAMPP control, go to config and Apache http.config. Okay. I control A, control C. I have just go to Visual Code, open the control N and paste it. Okay. Now we search. Okay, we control F to search 80. Okay. This is the port that default. Now I choose port 80 96. Okay, go down 86. Okay, after that I control A, control C, control A and paste it and save it. We go to XAMPP and to config, to service and port setting. Main port we have just customized, so we do it the same. MySQL, okay, MySQL I keep it the same. So error condition error, so it is need assassinate. We check it. So assassinate. Let config it again. Config. Service import cell. So we deny. Abroad it. Go to XAMPP in control panel.exe. Choose show more. Choose property. Go to compatibility. We click on run this program as administrator. Close it. Open it again. Now it asks to open and yes. Go to config, service and port. Okay, none. Save. Okay, now it's not error. So we start to test XAMPP. Page admin. This is the dashboard of XAMPP. Config port XAMPP and fix error assassinate is okay. Now we go to install Nodejs. We go to Nodejs. This is the web of Nodejs. We have recommend for most user and last feature. So I suggest to use recommend for most user and you click download it. Now we wait until it complete. Node.js is download complete. I have to check Node.js. I have previous installed it. This is my Node.js current on my Windows version. Okay, I install it. Now we click and waiting to show next. Okay, next. Sub next. This is the folder of Node.js. Next. Automatically install. Skip and pop up new after install complete. No. We choose next. Install and wait until it complete. It denotes this Node.js install completely. My version of Node.js will upgrade. If you have not installed Node.js yet, it's just Node.js version, this version. Finish. CMD. Check version of Node.js. Okay, now my Node.js have upgraded successfully this version. Okay, thank you for watching. We will see you the next video. Bye bye.